Hello, my dear scholars. A warm welcome to our learning community, Aao Padhe. I'm excited to be inspired by you and to inspire you. Our prime concern is to fulfill your queries and expectations. Your feedback is our achievement. So, if you like my video, don't forget to press like, share, and subscribe for more updates. So, before starting the session, as we always begin the session with an inspirational song, so today, children, you will also sing with me, okay? Let's start it. एक तू ही भरोसा, एक तू ही सहारा, इस तेरे जहां में नहीं कोई हमारा. हे ईश्वर या अल्लाह, ये पुकार सुन ले. हे ईश्वर या अल्लाह, हे ताता. हे ईश्वर या अल्लाह, ये पुकार सुन ले. हे ईश्वर या अल्लाह, हे ताता. हमसे न देखा जाए बर्बादियों का समा, उजड़ी हुई बस्ती में ये तड़प रहे इंसान. नन्हे जिस्मों के टुकड़े लिए खड़ी है एक माँ. बारूद के धुएं में तू ही बोल जाए कहाँ. एक तू ही भरोसा, एक तू ही सहारा, इस तेरे जहां में नहीं कोई हमारा. हे ईश्वर या अल्लाह, ये पुकार सुन ले. हे ईश्वर या अल्लाह, हे ताता. So children, today we'll be moving on to our next topic, that is types of sentences. So starting from types of sentences, as I already discussed in my previous video, you must have remembered that we can use a sentence different in different ways to make a statement or to ask question or to show feelings. So today we are going to discuss this in brief. So children, there are 4 different categories, or you can say 4 different types of sentences. They are declarative sentences, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence, and imperative sentences. Before getting into let's read something. A sentence can perform 4 functions. Depending on these 4 functions, sentences can be categorized in 4 different types. So now you will ask Miss Smita that, ma'am, how these sentences can be categorized? There should have some basis. On what basis we can categorize the sentences? Yes, there are some bases on which we categorize the sentences. So, depending on the function that a sentence perform, on the basis of that, it will be categorized. Okay, so let's read the functions of the sentences. A sentence can make a statement, anything. I like to play with kids. This is a simple statement. Okay, a sentence can ask a question. Hi, how are you? How are you doing today? So this is a question. I'm putting a question. A sentence can give an order or make a request. Get out from the classroom. This is an order. Okay. A sentence can express some strong or sudden feeling. Ouch, you hurt me. It's a sudden feeling. Okay. So let's start with declarative sentence and let's read out the features. I'll read it for you. If you want, you can pause the video and write down the definitions or the features. Okay. A sentence that states or declares something is called a declarative sentence or a statement. Such sentences end with a full stop. Remember to put a full stop at the end of the statement. It is very important. For example, I love singing. Children are playing in the beach. Next is interrogative sentences. Again, I'm telling you, if you want, you can pause the video and write down the definition or listen it carefully. A sentence that is used to ask question is called an interrogative sentence or a question. It ends with a question mark. Remember children, whenever you are writing an interrogative sentence, it will always end with a question mark. If you forget to put the question mark, it will be wrong and the teacher will deduct your marks. So remember to put question mark. Okay, so next now let's read the examples. Where is your birthday party? How is the weather today? Okay, these are some examples of interrogative sentences. Next is imperative sentence. A sentence that is used to express a command, a request, an order, or an advice is called an imperative sentence. Usually, these sentences also end with a full stop. For example, keep quiet. This is an order. Okay, so that is why it is not a simple sentence. It's an imperative sentence. I am giving an order. So, it will come and consider to be an imperative sentence. Please shut the door. This is what? This is a request. That is why it will also be called an imperative sentence. Next and the last type of sentence is exclamatory sentences. A sentence that is used to express some strong or sudden feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. These sentences end with an exclamation mark. Okay, remember children, interrogative sentences always end with a question mark and exclamatory sentences always end with an exclamation mark. If you forget to put the marks, definitely your teacher will deduct your marks. Okay, so remember to put the question mark or exclamation mark wherever needed. For example, hooray, we won the match. Wow, what a beautiful necklace. So I hope you have understood the types of sentences, and before ending the video, I'll give you some homework and you just comment it in the comment box. Pass me your book please. Don't forget to like my video and do your homework. How are you doing? Ouch, that hurts me. I love shopping. So these are the sentences. Just write down which types of sentences are they in the comment box. And that's all for today. And take care and bye-bye.